A for alligator, big and green, lives in the water, hardly seen. B for bear, so strong and tall, he loves honey most of all. C for cat, so soft and sweet, purrs so gently, walks on feet. D for dog, a woof woof sound, best friend always around. E for elephant, big and gray, swings his trunk all through the day. F for fox, clever and quick, runs in the forest, such a trick. G for giraffe, so high and neat, long, long neck and tiny feet. H for horse, runs so fast, gallop, gallop, never last. I for iguana, green and small, climbs on trees and loves the wall. J for jaguar, fast and strong, roars in jungle all day long. K for kangaroo, jumps so high, carries baby, oh my, oh my. L for lion king, so proud, roars so loud, shakes the crowd. M for monkey, funny and quick, jumps on trees and plays a trick. N for nightingale, sings so clear, sweetest song you'll ever hear. O for owl, awake at night, big round eyes shining bright. P for penguin, black and white, waddles and slides, what a sight. Q for quail, small and shy, hides in bushes, don't know why. R for rabbit, hops so high, loves to eat carrots, oh my. S for snake, slithers slow, hiss, 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 here we go. T for tiger, brave and bold, orange stripes with heart of gold. U for unicorn, magical horse, sparkles and shines, of course, of course. V for vulture, flying high, circles slowly in the sky. W for wolf, howls at night, under the moon's soft white light. X for x-ray, fish clear and small, you can see through him, wow, that's all. I for yak, with furry hair, lives in mountains cold and rare. Z for zebra, black and white, running fast, what a sight.